Hello and welcome back to another video. Today officially we have end of winter, I do believe, in Portugal, because it's really nice and sunny outside, and it's the end of our freedom of movement as well, because we are officially in lockdown again. That's not good. So what we can do at the moment when we are not allowed to go out and do some interesting stuff, we can probably stick with some do-it-yourself stuff. So this video will be about something interesting which is related to that. So when we are traveling around, I'm putting all my video gear in my backpack. So this is not sponsored by Huawei, but it was gifted from Huawei, so thank you very much, because it's very useful. But inside in this bag I have my ultimate vlogging rig, which is now nicely organized in this kind of case, organizer. And let me explain you why. You see, when you are traveling around, it's sometimes taking too much time to put this gear together and then break it apart. So I needed a solution where I can put this all nicely in, so it's not, so I don't need to take it apart. So I found this solution here, which is made by Ruigpro, and it's kind of nice case. It's not really a hard case, but it's splash proof, and I still feel safe when I'm putting in my backpack, so I'm not gonna damage my gear. So let me show you what's inside and why this all stuff is do-it-yourself, because it didn't came ready to use. I needed to modify it. So this is how it all looks inside. It's nicely organized. So as you can see there, I have my ultimate vlogging rig, complete with all the extension rod, attached Rode wireless microphone, the wireless module, and then I have unplugged microphone, which I anyway need to plug in only once I start the rig. So apart from that, I have another selfie stick, which is as well quite good for daily use for mobile phones or any other like cameras, because it comes with this attachment which I can change and then I can use with any other camera. About this one will probably be another video where I will show you exactly how it looks and why it's so good and great. Probably one of the best ones you can get on the market. Then I have the Rode wireless microphone itself here, the original case for my Osmo Pocket, the external power bank, and the magnet as well, which is already attached to my Rode wireless microphone, which I can use. And then we have another apartment here where we can organize all our cables and cards and stuff like that. So this case came with this foam inside, which is all filled when you are buying it brand new. So what you need to do, you actually need to do it yourself, this case kind of, and take out all the extra foam which you don't need. And this is how you kind of getting the shape for all your gear which you are actually putting in. So all the foam is actually coming pre-cut in small squares. As you can see here, it's pre-cutted in like I would say 1 square centimeter squares. So you can rip out everything what you don't need and just leave inside, leave the rest of the parts which you will need. So how to do that, I will quickly now show you. This is how I made my custom organizer for my ultimate logging rig. As you saw in this video, it's quite easy. First of all, what I did, I just took out the foam and I put all my stuff in which I want to fit in, so I can see how much space it takes, so I can kind of understand where I will put which kind of bit of my kit, and then just start ripping off what you don't need in that foam. Where it was like close, let's say one line only, I was using the paper blades, so I'm not kind of ripping out what I don't need to rip. So, but if you are careful, you can do without any blades or anything. So that was just my first attempt and I tried to do my best. But yeah, when you are doing it outside from the case, remember that the foam can a little bit expand, and when you will put it in, you will push it a little bit smaller, so you may end up ripping a little bit more off in some places because it's just too tight. But yeah, as you can see, it can be made nicely and it will last as well. Good, I can promise you, because I'm using it for a while already, and yeah, it's really good quality. It's probably even better quality than the DJI Mavic Mini case, because this handle is already looking quite bad. This one is nice and rubbery, and size wise, as you can see, it's almost the same size as the Mavic Mini case, and that was one of the points when I was looking for a case, because I needed something the same size as Mavic Mini case, because that nicely fits in my backpack. So the Ruigpro cases are coming in 3 different sizes. There is one smaller, then this is a middle size, and another one is a bit more bigger. And yeah, if you are looking for good cases to organize your stuff, this is probably the best way to go, because I did research and there was nothing, especially in that price tag, nothing close to that. Apparently you can't get those cases in Europe anywhere, so I was ordering this case from AliExpress, so it came from China. When it came, it was a little bit pushed in the lid part, but in 2 or 3 days it came back to its original shape and everything was fine. But yeah, quality is really good for that case. So if you are looking for a nice organizer for yourself and you like this do-it-yourself stuff the same way as me, I will put the link down below the description so you can find exactly this case. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao.